Friends, Running Kimono here, and this is my massive haul. I still have a bag of body wash on the ground, and I didn't even put it on the table, but OMG, this was a really good first day of the Dollar General clearance event. I made a video with tons and tons and tons of information, especially for new shoppers over at the Dollar General, on how to, have the most amount of success at this store. But this whole table, including even more body wash, $25. And I did a whole bunch of tiny transactions. I only visited 4 stores because I think I twisted my ankle. So if you saw a lady hopping around the clearance section, that was me. And it was painful. So I just did 4 stores and then came home right away. So that's why this video is early. As stated, I made this video earlier in the week, where I was just going through like the best deals, and for the most part I was looking for the products that were in this video. Some stuff I couldn't even find, but some of it I really found a lot of.
Is this your haul, Suzu? Oh my gosh, good job, Suzu. Susie. Susie. Good girl. Good girl. Good job, Susie.
Okay, so this deal I'm going to show you is to get some SUAVE body wash completely for free. Now, when I ask you to pay attention, you're really going to have to stop whatever you're doing and pay attention to everything I'm going to say, because this video is basically counterintuitive to everything that we do over at the Dollar General, but it actually works. You're going to do this at a non-updated store. If your store is updated, this will not work, because I went and tried it this afternoon and it's not working. So we're going to be looking for the SUAVE body wash, and at some stores it was completely cleared out. We don't even need to load a digital coupon. So you see that 2 off of 2, the one at the top that says digital coupon, we're not worrying about it. It's this bottom one. So when you scan the body wash into the Dollar General app, this is what you're looking for. Save 2 when you buy 2 selected, blah, 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 SUAVE included. So that little, buy 2, save $2 on SUAVE, it's specifically attaching for me to these products. So please pay attention. We have cherry blossom, cocoa butter, and shea. Also, sweet pea and violet, and antibacterial. There's a green one, some sort of apple one, but it's not attaching. So it's only certain body washes. Some bar soaps are also attaching too. Unfortunately, all the bar soap was missing. These little lotions that I found in the clearance section, they were $1 each, and they were also attaching with the promotion, so I was able to get them for free. So you grab them in sets of 2, but say you wanted to grab 10 in a transaction, or I grabbed 4 in a transaction. It came up to $4.04. The buy 2, save 2 comes off instantly, so $4 will come off. Do not punch in your phone number at checkout. I know that's completely counterintuitive to what we show for the Dollar General, but you want the instant savings. If you have that 2 off of 2 on your store card, I think it will bugger everything up. Maybe the easiest way for you to test this out is to grab 2 of these, bring them up to the cashier, get the cashier to scan both of them. Do not punch in your phone number, and then see what the final price is. If it's 2 cents, you go fill up a cart and get some more. If not, void the transaction. You forgot your wallet in the car. 2 more factors in this, guys. How long this will last? Unknown. It's a glitch. Second question answer. Will your store be cleared out? Yay or nay? I don't know. As people were getting this body wash for free earlier in the week, it might be completely cleared. It might not. So I noticed too that once an employee figured this out, they went and got some too. Everybody was getting some. So, your miles may vary, but definitely worth going and finding this and trying at least. At updated stores, I scanned 2 at the self-checkout, and guess what? This is how they're ringing up. There is no instant savings, and then even if I would punch in my phone number, this is it. So do not do this at updated stores where you get the 3 receipts. So they have these self-checkout machines. They do not have a keypad behind the cash register. You know what updated stores are like. Do them at the old non-updated stores. Now we're going to jump into the haul, and I'm still talking about this because this is one item I wanted to get, was the SUAVE roll-on. Roll-on deodorant is really hard to find, so the fact that it was on sale and I could use the 2 digital coupons with this specific product, because it was well over $2, I knew that I was in business. At the very bottom of these deodorants, there's an expiry date. Make sure that you're not buying like really expired deodorant, because some of them I was finding were from like 20 2020. And I was like, what? So you're going to load. So we're only grabbing 2 deodorants for this deal, 2 per transaction, and we're going to load this coupon, which is a 2 off of 2, plus we're going to get that instant savings. So 2 of them in a basket is $2.34. Instant savings is coming off, and that $2 coupon will get reduced down to 34 cents, making it free. There is no overage, no nothing. Obviously, the best deal is with the bar soap or the body wash that I showed you in the slides previous, but make it happen, guys. Okay, now let's just talk about some other dealios. Over 5 store cards, I grabbed the Colgate Fancy, and it is $2.80, subtracting the $3 digital, free plus 20 cents of overage, and this is at a non-updated store. An error that I had in my video, it had a clearance tag on it, these single bags of the Cascade. They're $1. We have a $2 digital, making it free plus $1 of overage. And this again is at a non-updated store. For the rest of the deals in the video, anything with overage, non-updated stores. One item I did want to stock up on, these Bic razors for 45 cents, because we don't get really a lot of deals for really inexpensive razors. So grabbing one of these at $2.45, subtracting that $2 digital, you pay 45 cents, and what a great deal. Another item that's super meat and potatoes that we don't get for free a lot is maxi pads. So these are $2.57. We have $1 digital, dropping it down to $1.57. If you have somebody, or if you're going through menopause, you know the value of these bigger pads. So, I mean, I would stock up. And again, I did this over a couple of store cards, so I did get, a bunch of pads. Most of the stores had these also on display. Maybe one of my favorite finds was this 64 count of the Tide Simply Fresh. This is kind of a unicorn. Not every store will have it in stock. But they were $3.37. Subtracting that dollar digital, I paid $2.37 for my detergent. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sheets, it's really good for cleaning like sinks and bathrooms, that sort of thing. It's a thinner magic eraser. They're $1.20. I think that's a very respectful price. When these first came out, I think they were like close to $4 or something like that. So very happy with this. Another home meat and potatoes product that I found, I didn't find a lot of this though, is the Febreze, these single sprays. And I also found one double pack, but not a lot. The double pack that I found was $2.25. So subtracting that dollar digital, it was $1.25. With the dollar digital, these guys were 45 cents. They were $1.45, subtracting the dollar digital, 45 cents. Now, I want to mention something to you guys. Any sort of coupon that's like a $3.30 off a 2, a 3 off a 2, for whatever reason, it's only taking off like $1.50. So be mindful of that. Maybe mention it to a cashier if it does not come off correctly. But any sort of coupon that's like buy 2, save $3 or whatever, only like $1.50 is coming off. So including this Febreze one. I only found one of these Airwick Essential Mist Happiness. I guess everybody got them when they were like, I don't know, just at 10% off. These guys are $4.50, subtracting that $6 digital. It's free plus 60 cents of overage, of course, non-updated stores. And I didn't find a single one of these, but they are $2.25, subtracting that $1.50 digital, 75 cents. I could not find any of this shampoo. 2 of them is $2.65. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, it's free plus 35 cents of overage. I wish I found some, but I didn't. These were on a shelf. They weren't even part of clearance. These Lubriderms, I think they were $3.35, and we have a $2 digital, so I paid $1.35 for that. This lotion is typically about $7, $7 or $8. So the scent-free ones, I'm definitely going to be on the hunt on Saturday to find more. But what a good deal to pay $1.35 per lotion. I was very happy with that. While I was out and about too, I found 6 of these protein shakes by the Dollar General. They don't expire till next summer. I found chocolate. I think a couple days ago I found strawberry. So happy to get those for a penny. One last food find for you is the chocolate caramel crunch by Captain Crunch. So grabbing 2 of these boxes for $3.35. We have a 2 off of 2 digital. If you loaded it, I think it was last month, It would be $1.35 for 2 of these boxes, a very good donation item, or if you have young kids in the house, I'm sure they would absolutely love to try that. I didn't buy a single box because, you know, I'm trying to behave. Haha, maybe not doing such a great job at that. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out this channel and with the old YouTube algorithm. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.